Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First for all, I like to thank the organizer ICSI committee and of this meeting for inviting me in ICSI conference today. My name is Abdul Rokhman and my institution is Institute Teknologi Talent Jakarta. I'm lecturer in Civil Engineering Department. I would like to take this opportunity to talk to you about traffic engineering, and today topic is my presentation is traffic accident cause analysis based on accident victim using Karawang output method in Karawang urgency. This paper author consists for author Abdul Rahman, D431, Shirono D431, and Kandas Rokhman. Introduction. My topic presentation is divided into 4 parts, consists introduction, research method, result discussion, and then conclusion. The first part, introduction. Number 1, road traffic and transport is a unified system consisting of road transport, traffic and transport network, traffic and road transport infrastructure, vehicle, driver, road user, and their management. And two, traffic accident are very complex case that are influenced by many factors, especially traffic volume in additional to construction condition and road geometry. And three, traffic accident are costs incurred as a result of a traffic accident. These costs include the cost of treating the victim, to cost of property loss, and cost of handling traffic accident, and the cost of the loss of victim productivity. And therefore, the problem of the problem I face in Karawang Regency is the number of traffic accidents, which tend to increase from year to year with a fairly high number of accidents. Therefore, traffic accident of the highway must require serious attention in handling in order to reduce the number of accident victims and material loss caused. In the literature review, traffics, and then traffic order and safety, and then traffic accident, cause of traffic accident, and the gross output method. Traffic is according the traffic ordinance number 22 years on 29. Traffic is defined as the movement of vehicle and people in road traffic. While what I mean by the road traffic in the infrastructure intend on the movement vehicle, people, and goods in the form of road supporting facilities. And then traffic order safety, according to traffic ordinance Indonesian Republic of Law, number 22 of 29 concerning road traffic and transportation regarding traffic procedure in chapter 105 and 109, 106, sorry. And traffic accident, traffic accident according to the law of Republic Indonesia number 22, 29, chapter 1 is an accident on the highway that is unexpected, unintentional, involving a vehicle with or without the road user, resulting in human casualties and or property loss. And then cost of traffic accident, accident cost and the cost incurred as a result on traffic accident. These costs include victim treatment costs, property loss costs, traffic accident handling costs, and victim productivity. The gross output method is a method analyzing accident costs by calculating the reduction in the value of all lost resources from all parties to the accident. This method is often used to analyze the cost accident in developing countries such as Indonesia. And then part two, research method. Data in this study only from secondary data, accident data in year from 2016 to 2020. This data we get from Indonesian Police Resort in Karawang Regency. Data analysis is follow in this slide. Number one, determine the accident data based on the year occurrence in Karawang Regency. Then determine the years of calculation, TN. And number two, determine the difference calculation year, T. And three, collect data on traffic accident and victim from the police authority. And four, compilation and accident victim data according to the categories: death victim, seriously injured, and minor injury. And five, calculate the unit cost of victim in year and for each category of victim using Formula 1 and Table 1. And then six, calculate the cost of the victim using Formula 2. And then slide is Table 1 and equation 1 and equation 2. And then parts 3, result and discussion. Result and discussion, we can see in the slide. From the following table, we can see that accident data in Karawang Regency, number of consists number of traffic accident, accident victim dies, accident victim seriously injury, and then accident victim minor injury. And the amount from the result of calculation, we can see in the below of the table. From year 2016 to 2020. And this table, and we can see about year 2016 to 2020 in number of traffic accident and percentage change in number of accident. And then right is a bar chart number of traffic accident. From the result of calculation into result calculation accident victim cost based on the gross output method, we can see in slide the following. In year 2016 and to 2020. In the death victim, serious injury victim, and minor injury victim. The following we can see example calculation from January in 2016. We can see the result of calculation is the following. And then from the following table we can see average of uh, total accident cost in year 2060 to 2020. And then this slide is we can see about bar chart total accident cost in Karawang Regency from January to December. And part 4, conclusion. In the Karawang Regency area, the rate of traffic accident continues to increase every year. This can make the loss of accident costs often greater based on the calculation and accident costs using the gross output method. And the total cost accident victims in Karawang district from year to 2016 to 2020 is obtained in the we can see in the slides. Okay, thanks for your attention about my presentation. Thank you for all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.